Welcome, I'm Ravaka from the English Takeover, and today's video is about our experience doing shadowing technique for 30 days. So we are our community gonna take over on this video and talk about our experience and about this technique. So if you don't know yet what is shadowing technique, I really recommend that you check out this video with our pronunciation coach, Dainora. And you can, if you still want to join this challenge, it's officially over, but you can definitely do your own challenge by yourself, or you can join our community, our Facebook community, if you want to share your experience. So let's get started. One day, Vladimir, one of our community member, launches a challenge. Of course, some of our members jump into this opportunity to train our English. So let's see how they talk about it.
Hey guys, I'm Vladimir, and I've been running a 30-day shadowing challenge in the English Takeover community. It was a fantastic experience. I've been staying in touch with so many wonderful people during these 30 days because we practiced it together and we had so much fun. I got familiar with a lot of powerful monologues, great talks, and fantastic speeches. I highly recommend you this technique. First, you practice pronunciation. Then you get familiar with all aspects of English prosody, such things like intonation, rhythm, connected speech, and so on. So this technique is unique one. It seems like you kill two birds with one stone, because you practice not only pronunciation and intonation, but also you learn a lot of useful vocabulary. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, find a powerful monologue or talk on the net, and start practicing. I guarantee you will level up your English. Thank you.
Hey everyone! First of all, I would like to express my words of gratitude to a person who took initiative and started this 30 days shadowing challenge, Vladimir. It was so much fun and engaging activity. Over the course of those days, I've learned a lot. First thing in the morning, I grabbed my phone and was waiting for another task, because every task is every speaker in each task, their speech is so inspirational and thought-provoking. I was addicted to it. So, and working in a group of people in this English Takeover community with other members is so much fun and engaging, rather than working alone, because we can see their way of shadowing and we can apply into our own. And I did the same. I applied in mine, and I tried to shadow with the one with which I felt more comfortable with. And not only have I shadowed, but also I learned from speakers' experiences, and it helped us to enhance our vocabulary, because naturally those are new words I have never come across, and it helped me to enlarge my vocabulary. And thank you for everyone. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Ravaka and I'm from Madagascar. I've been doing the shadowing technique for 30 days. How was my experience? Okay, so during 30 days I decided to shadow Marta. Her speech is really clear and she has this charisma. She knows how to bring intention, and I really love everything, all of her speech I love, and I love her as a person as well. So that's why I decided to shadow her for 30 days. So I've been trying a lot of technique during 30 days, and the one that really worked the best for me is the one that really analyze how she pronounce words, how is the intonation, the rhythm, and so on and so forth. Really challenging, but I think that's the one that I really love, and I feel comfortable when I shadow her, when I speak with her at the same time, or let her speak a little bit like 1 or 2 seconds before me, and then I follow her. So how was my experience? How is my English right now? To be honest with you, this is not really a popular opinion, but it's my opinion. So if you want to see if a shadowing technique works for you, try it out. That's the only thing. So I don't really feel like I don't really feel like my English really exponentially improve, because that's not the case. But I love doing it. First of all, I love doing it. I love being in the skin of a character like Marta. I just love that. But yeah, it could be really help you. Really, if you really want to see really a big improvement in your English, maybe not only in 30 days, but really continuing every single day. I don't know for how long though, but really doing it, and maybe with the right technique. Modern technique works, but if we do it wrong, it won't work, obviously. I don't really feel like I really improve my English for 30 days. At least I don't feel it. I gotta ask someone else how was my English, but I personally don't feel it. So yeah, so that's my experience. The only thing that I wanna say, if you want to see if a technique really works for you, try it out. Just try it out and you will see. Yeah, so I wanna say thank you for the community, because without the community I couldn't really do it, because I really consider all of the community, English takeover community, as my accountability partner. So somehow they give me pressure that I have to show up every single day, And another really a big thanks for our friends, our community member Vladimir, because he's the one who launched this challenge, and without him we are not at this time to make this video. So I really thank him. A special thanks for Vladimir. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you.
Hello, I enjoy the 30 days shadowing challenge. I learned a lot from the content provided by Vladimir, who is one of the members of the community and who was guiding us every single day on this adventure. And he provided us with food for thought videos, useful content, and we were not only shadowing, but also we were learning from the content provided. And the way most of us did it, it was listening first to the speaker voice, and then shadowing, and then listening to the phrases or sentences and shadowing again. But once we got confident, we started shadowing the speaker's voice at the same pace and mimicking the rhythm, the intonation, identifying the stress patterns and the linking words. And if you are new on this and you want to get the most, I will start little by little. First listening and then shadowing, and then once you get confident, you can start following the speaker voice at the same time. And you can do the same thing with songs or shadowing poems, and always challenge yourself. And that's the way you will get where you want to be.
Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to talk about 30-day shadowing challenge by Vladimir. He's an amazing guy. He set an amazing goal and an example for our English Takeover community members. So with his help, people, I truly hope, really, because it happened to me, gained a new habit. They learn that within 1 month, you can actually learn how to do one thing, and it's amazing. So it's my personal opinion and my personal experience. It may not resonate with you, but I hope you are as close as you could get to your goal. So, as I mentioned, I gained a new habit and I'll be continuing doing it every single day, even though the challenge is officially over. However, if you're still willing to join this challenge, you can do that by joining our Facebook group, English Takeover Community, and you can do it on your own by following the videos that Vlad posted already. It's never too late as long as you are determined and willing to do the job. Okay, so as I now have this amazing habit, I don't want to lose it, because I know if I'm gonna leave it for a week, probably I may not even come back to it. Now I decided to step up the game and do something different. So my plan is to copy the transcript of 1 minute or 2 minutes and then make some changes. So I know where are the content words, which are usually stressed words, where are function words, which are not so important. So these phrases or even words are unstressed or reduced. So for example, this is what I did this morning. So as you can see in bright yellow color, that these words are the content words. So I need to stress them in my speech. As you can see, they're a dash, so you will connect them. And instead of, for example, for the last, you would say fast. You would say for the last, as if you hear it as one word rather 3 words. And I believe it's a great practice to deepen the knowledge you already know about shadowing technique. So I don't want to jump directly to 5 minutes or 10 minutes because it can be overwhelming. You're probably going to rewatch the video a couple of times until you finally get all the content words and all the function words, and then you have to do the shadowing technique. So it can take up to 10 minutes or so, but by doing gradually, and I believe by the end of the month, from today, in 30 days, you'll be much more confident how you use certain words in your own daily speech, because again, it becomes a habit, and without even realizing, you're probably gonna start applying that to your day-to-day speech as well. I cannot wait to share my personal experience a month later, but I hope I'll be able to deliver good news. So good luck, keep doing, don't give up. Just because the challenge is officially over, that doesn't mean you need to stop doing something for yourself. Invest your time and it's gonna definitely pay off. Have a good one.
you.